A cheesecake that's glossy, silky smooth, no bake, and absolutely delicious? Yes, please. This is a tofu cheesecake recipe for anyone who loves a not too sweet dessert with a protein boost from tofu and a unique twist, pandan, the vanilla of Laos. Perfect for the holidays, this creamy treat is sure to impress your family and friends. Let's get started. Before we get into the recipe, I want to thank Vitamix for sponsoring this video. Vitamix specializes in high-quality blending machines designed to make whole food nutrition easy and delicious. Their mission is to empower people to improve their health and well-being through better eating. What I love about my Vitamix is its versatility. It can blend just about anything, from fibrous ingredients that most blenders struggle with to smooth soups, nut butter, sauces, and so much more. Plus, it has a self-cleaning feature. Just add water and a few drops of soap, let it run, and in a few seconds, it's clean and ready for the next use. I'm using the Ascend X2 series, which offers 3 different blending programs: smoothies, frozen desserts, and soups. It comes with a spacious 48-ounce container, perfect for family-sized portions, and includes a tamper and tamper holder for convenience. The variable speed control is another standout feature, allowing me to ramp up to level 10 for that extra power when needed. If you're in the market for a new blender, now is the perfect time. Vitamix is having a holiday sale, so if you want to gift yourself or someone special something brand new, amazing, and that will add and brighten up their kitchen, make sure to grab them a Vitamix. The Baidi Pinong, hi fam, welcome back to Saeng's Kitchen. Today we have a festive and very joyful, sweet, and maybe somewhat healthy kind of dessert that I'm gonna dig into. This was inspired by my love of the flavor pandan, which is used in a lot of Lao desserts, and also my obsession with cheesecake. I know it's not Lao, but it's something I love so much. So I wanted to bring pandan and cheesecake together and figure out what that would look like for the holidays. And I have a special treat for you, as you all can see. So I made it, and this is actually a no-bake tofu cheesecake. It is fast. All you gotta do is make the mixture, let it sit for a few hours or overnight. The next day, it's done. It's that easy, very delicious. Let's get into the recipe. I'm using peppermint sandwich cookies to bring a festive touch to the holidays. And they also make a fantastic chocolate mint flavored crust. This recipe uses 18 cookies, and the filling needs to be separated from the cookies. Scrape the filling into one bowl and place the cookies into another. Once all the filling is removed, blend the chocolate cookies in a Vitamix, starting at level 2 and gradually increasing the speed until the cookies turn into fine crumbs. Pour the crumbs into a bowl and ensure they are well processed into a powder-like texture, as this helps create a smooth crust. For the filling, add 4 tablespoons of butter to the bowl of scraped cookie filling and microwave for 30 seconds. Stir to combine. If lumps remain, microwave for an additional 30 seconds and mix until smooth. Combine this mixture with the crushed cookie crumbs, mixing gently until fully incorporated. The mixture should be slightly wet but cohesive. Prepare the cake pan by folding a large sheet of parchment paper into quarters. Then fold it diagonally to form a pointed end. Trim the paper to fit the size of the pan, adjusting as needed. Unfold the paper and press it flat into a pan. Remove the paper, spray the pan with oil, and then press the parchment paper back into place, ensuring it sticks. Spray the parchment as well, then spread the crust mixture evenly into the pan. Use your hands to press it down gently and a glass to smooth the edges and middle. Set the crust aside while you prepare the pandan water. To make pandan water, cut 26 grams of pandan leaves into small pieces and blend them with 1 cup of water in a Vitamix, starting at level 1 and increasing to level 10. The mixture will turn bright green and slightly foamy. Strain the liquid through a sieve into a bowl, pressing the pulp with a spoon to extract as much liquid as possible. Divide 3 packets of unflavored gelatin in the pandan water, stirring until fully combined, and then go ahead and set it aside. For the filling, use firm tofu to minimize water content. Pat the tofu dry with paper towels, repeating as necessary to remove excess moisture. Crumble the tofu into a clean blender. Add chunks of full-fat cream cheese, half a cup of coconut milk, and a can of condensed milk. Blend at level 1 and gradually increase speed until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Heat the pandan gelatin mixture in the microwave for 30 seconds to fully melt, then carefully add it to the blender. Blend until fully incorporated. Add a few drops of pandan coloring to achieve a soft green color, then taste and adjust the sweetness as desired. Reserve 1 cup of the filling and add additional pandan coloring to brighten it up for decoration. Pour the main filling over the prepared crust and smooth it with a spatula. Tap the pan gently on the table to release air bubbles. Drizzle the reserved coloring filling over the top in random patterns, then use a chopstick to swirl it into decorative shapes. Tap the pan again to remove the remaining bubbles. Chill the cheesecake in the fridge overnight until it sets. Once the cheesecake is firm, carefully remove the sides of the pan, dab any excess water from the edges with a paper towel. Use a sharp knife to loosen the bottom and slide the cake onto a serving plate. Slice the cheesecake, ensuring the knife cuts through the crust, and serve your beautiful festive dessert.
Chomp, 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 chomp.
Sit. Good girl. Sit. Kabao. You like the cheesecake? You like it? You can't have it, but I just wanted to show you. Satu. Satu. Good girl. Okay. The no-bake tofu cheesecake flavored with pandan is done, and I'm super excited to dig in. Just visually, it looks really good. So I love that I added the swirls of different green on top, and then you have the tofu and cheesecake all well blended together. You can't even tell what is what, and I think that's also because of the Vitamix. It's really smooth, and let's just dig in. Actually, it's very bouncy, which I don't mind. I love a bouncy cheesecake. Let's dig in. That's so good. That's so good. That's dangerously good. Let me describe this to you. I love that subtleness of pandan. Like, it's not too strong of a flavor, but you can taste there's pandan, like this fragrance in there, and it just melds with like the cheesecake flavor. And I love the sweetness of the condensed milk. Oh, such a good choice. And then you need to have the Oreo mint crust because it just breaks up the flavors quite a bit, just because this is cheesecake, a lot of fat in there. So the crust and mint just break up those flavors. I need a second try. Oh yeah. It's not too bouncy, where it's like Jello, but it's like just enough to like keep its shape. I love that no bake cheesecake is where you're not using any like gas or heat, but all you're doing is just getting a really good blender, which is the Vitamix. Highly recommend it because it's probably the most powerful blender I've used so far. And it just really brings all the different textures together, creating this brand new type of cheesecake than the regular baked kind. And that added tofu is really nice. Like, surprisingly, it's really nice. It doesn't taste like savory. It's just like a light nutty flavor where you don't even have the tofu texture. Wow, just wow. If you want to try this recipe, I'll link the recipe in the comments below somewhere, or also the description. And let me know if you give this a try. Let me know. It's super easy, like no stress kind of cooking is the type of cooking I like. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you click the notification bell somewhere around here so you're made aware of all my new recipes. And if you want more Lao inspired recipes, make sure you join my email newsletter at www.saengskitchen.com and I'll send it to you right away. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all next time on Saeng's Kitchen. Bye!